Hello everyone, let's take a detailed look at how to install, adjust, and use the ANDELI RL500PS welding helmet. Mode switching and adjustment. On the side of the helmet, there is a rotary knob. When set to green mode, the helmet is powered off. Turning it to other modes switches the helmet on, and the mode indicator lights up. You can use the mode switch button to toggle between cutting mode, welding mode, lock mode. The color shade is displayed in green for levels 5 to 9 and red for levels 9 to 13. You can adjust the shade level using the external side knob. Use the sensitivity button to adjust the response. Sensitivity 5 levels available. Use the delay time button to adjust the delay time, also offering 5 adjustable levels. The LED light switch turns the built-in LED light on or off. Headband adjustment and wearing. There is a tightening knob on each side of the helmet. Loosen the knob to adjust the helmet's forward, backward position. 3 adjustment levels in total. You can also adjust the tilt angle of the helmet. 5 adjustment levels available. Once positioned comfortably, tighten the knobs on both sides to the same setting. At the back of the headband, a rotary adjuster lets you loosen or tighten the head circumference. The top strap can also be adjusted for a personalized fit. Once adjusted, the helmet stays securely in place and won't slip easily. Protective lens replacement. Start with the inner protective lens. Unclip and remove the old lens. Align the new lens with one side of the clip and secure it. Gently bend the lens with your fingers and clip the other side into place. Now for the outer protective lens. Open the lens cartridge lock and remove the cartridge. Take out the old outer lens and replace it with the new one. Reinstall the cartridge and lock it securely. Now both lenses are correctly installed. Type-C charging. Connect a Type-C cable to the charging port on the helmet and the other end to a power source. The charging light will turn on, indicating that the helmet is charging. Once fully charged, simply unplug the cable. That's all for the introduction to the ANDELI RL500PS welding helmet. Thank you for watching.